I am Neeraj Kumar. Today I am going to teach you parts of theodolite. So before knowing the parts of theodolite, it is very important to know about the theodolites. So first of all, I would I explain the theodolite. Theodolite is an instrument which is used in surveying to measure the horizontal and vertical angle, and it is also used for measuring the indirect distance. So, and before using the theodolite, it is very important to know about all the parts of theodolite to minimize the error. So now I show you the parts of theodolite. Uh, So here you are watching the screw. There are three screws. This is known as foot screw. ठीक है. Okay. With the help of foot screw, we level the theodolite. Now here you are watching this plate and this plate. This both plate known as tri-base plate, and this is the portion from here to here is known as leveling head. Now come to upper portion. This is we have a clamp, this and this. This is lower clamp and this is upper clamp. So before now I am explaining the working of lower and upper clamp. So when we lose the lower clamp and tied the upper clamp, over all the instrument moved easily. Okay. And similarly, when we tighten the lower clamp and lose the upper clamp, our upper instrument moved. Okay. Now come to other part. There I have two tangents screw. This is upper tangent screw and this is lower tangent screw. This tangent screw is used for moving the instrument slowly because before measuring the angle we need to move instrument slowly. So this tangent screw is used for moving the instrument slowly. Now come to upper portion. There we have a horizontal circle. This horizontal circle made by two plates. One is lower plate and other is upper plate. In lower plate main scale is applied and upper plate vernier scale is applied. Okay. In a vernier scale, so now we have this lens applied on horizontal circle. This lens is used for watching the readings in the scale. Okay. Now come to other part. This is bubble. This is known as horizontal bubble, which is used for leveling the theodolite. And before, when we measure the horizontal angle, then we need to level this bubble. Okay. Now come to upper part. This is A frame. This is the part of size A. This is known as A frame. In A frame, a vertical circle is applied. In vertical circle also main and vernier scale is applied. So for this is used for measuring the vertical angle. Now there is also two lens like as horizontal plate. This lens is also used for watching the readings. Now come to main parts. This is our theodolite. Sorry. This is telescope, which is used for bisect the object. Telescope has one eyepiece and other is object piece. Okay. In eyepiece we see the object, and in object piece object is shown. Okay. Now there is one upper clamp. Upper clamp is used for moving the telescope. If I loosen the upper clamp, then telescope is moved easily. If I tighten the upper clamp, then telescope is not moved. Okay. Now this is part of tangent, horizontal tangent screw. Horizontal tangent screw is used for moving the telescope slowly, because before seeing the target we need to move telescope slowly. So this is used for moving the slowly. Okay. Now there is a two gun point on telescope, which is used for focusing the object. Now come to main part. This is the other screw, which is used for centering the instrument. I hope you have understand all the parts of theodolites I explained to you now. Okay, thank you.